Hey there and good day guys. So for today's video, I am going to make a tutorial about a Photoroom AI editor. So as you can see here guys, we just need to download if you have a Play Store or a App Store. You just need to go there and then download this app. As you can see here, you will see here the Photoroom AI Photo Editor. And then right after that one is here is the once you open the app guys, you will see it here and then they will ask you if where did you hear about the app, and I will choose here. So you can see here you can choose social media, and then which social media was it. I'm gonna choose YouTube. Okay, just tap on it, and then what do you plan to use Photoroom for? For example, I'm gonna choose here a personal use, and then what can Photoroom help you with? And you can choose here guys, it's up to you. I will just try to check for this something familiar to me, and then just click the allow, and then you will just then start a photo here, upload it from you can choose a photo from your gallery. So here is mine guys. So after you upload it guys, it will be then appear that the photo is now been background removed. So you can see here guys, last time guys, this picture has a background, but then there's this pro that you can choose guys, a yearly plan or a weekly plan, but we can still continue without that one. You can try this one on a free guys, and you can choose here the background. You can choose different color here guys that will be based on your liking. And then after that one, you can also choose different colors here. For example, you can also adjust the one that you will choose. And then just click done if you agree to that one. And then you can also have a insert something, shapes, graphics, or logos. You can see it guys. And then here guys, some social media icons are premium, so we cannot pick it. So now guys, we will just scroll down a bit and choose that is free. For example guys, this is one, so this sticker is free, so we can use this one. That's it. And then we can also edit the sticker guys. And if you don't like it guys, you can just undo it. At the top guys, like this arrow, just tap on this if you want to undo it. Here guys, and then right after that one guys, is you can also go here and choose your background, the AI backgrounds. But this section guys is only for premium, so we cannot choose guys. And there are so many cute backgrounds. You can see here event, the mood. If we try to click guys, it will appear something that you need to buy a plan. For example, this one guys, I will tap on this one, and here you need to make your account pro. For example, this one, you also need to make your account pro. And then after that one guys is you just need to also have a choose your background, but here guys it's for free. Some backgrounds are premium, but you can also choose a free background. For example, this is this one, so I can also adjust this guys. I can also adjust this by adjusting, for example, I want to blur my background or set this. For example, I have many choices here for the square, box, disc, motion, or I can make a filter or add a filter. And then after that one guys is I can go here and then try if I want to have a soft shadow or a hard shadow. But as you can see here guys, this is still a pro app. I mean a pro feature, so I cannot use this one. Just an example guys, but I cannot apply this one because this is a pro feature. So the next thing that we can do guys is to resize guys. As you can see, you can custom the dimensions, the landscape, you can make it landscape, portrait or whatever you want. Then after that one, you can proceed to add a text. For example, I will add a text here for an additional style for my project or my here. So I'm just gonna type this one here, guys. Is I just type it for a style. I will place this one on the side. Okay. Here, guys. So I'm gonna place it here, and then I can also adjust this text, guys. I can change the color, or here I will change the color, or I can add a background text or remove the background text, and I can adjust the size. Here you can just adjust the size from small to large, and then I can also transform it from 90 degrees, flip, or whatever, and then adjust my opacity here, guys. So you can see here, guys, so you can adjust your opacity, and then scroll down a bit, you can duplicate or whatever you want, lock object, front, back. And then if you will back, guys, and just click on here. Wait. Here, guys, if you click this one, you will see the before and after. For example, guys, is I will slide this to the left side, and then right side is the after, and then the left side is the before. So you can see here, guys, the difference. So you can see. And then before that one is we can add again a text for a better style, I think. I don't like this font, so I may change this one. So for example, it's called drink. And again, guys, as what I have said a while ago, you can adjust the text from changing the colors, opacity, and by dragging it, guys. If you wanna arrange it from the side, or you wanna put it on the left side, you just need to drag this one. So you can see here, guys, I wanna drag here. And then after that one, guys, is you can now save your design by creating an account or choose maybe later. And then after that one, guys, you just need to tap this maybe later, and then you will see here if you want to export in HD or save to gallery, and just tap the one that you wanna do. And that's it for today's tutorial, guys. And if you found it helpful, just click and subscribe, and thank you for watching. See you in my next video, guys. Bye!